So you're wondering how to sign up for Plenty of Fish. You can do this by two ways, either by their official website or their official app. Today we're going to be learning how to sign up for POF from their website. Click on your preferred browser and then enter pof.com. You can also Google search POF and the first link that pops up will lead you to the same page. Then you click on Sign Up button. After that, you'll be requested to enter your name. Click on Sign Up. Select your gender. If you want your gender to show on your profile, you enable this. If you don't, you disable this. There are other options for gender as well. And you press on Next. Then you select your ethnicity. If you prefer not to say, then you simply go with the last option. Press on Next. Select the birth date as such and click on Next. After that, you will be required to enter your city and the country you belong to. After you've entered your country and your state, you'll be required to enter your city and the postal code. Click on Next. Then you enter your email. You confirm your email. Click on Next. Select your username. Enter your password that you would like to assign to this account. Then simply click on Next. Press on Let's Go. Again, you'll be required to enter your name, your state and province, your city, and your postal zip code. After that, you press on Next. Then you fill out information that will make your profile stronger. This app again goes into very much of details to set up your profile, so you just have to fill out all the options that are given to you. Finally, to verify your account, you can simply ask for the website to send a code to your phone number, and you can verify it by entering the code you obtain. And once your account is verified, you can start creating your profile and looking for matches. And that's it. Hope you guys learned how to sign up for your Plenty of Fish. Thanks for watching.